Hi guys, today we're going to learn multiplying rational expression involving multivariate monomials. If you look at it, what they mean by is we have two different variables. That's what they mean by multivariate, x and y. So for example, if you want to simplify this rational expression, first we need to see what kind of rules we have to cancel out those variables. But the numbers is easy. Either you can type those numbers on the calculator or you can do it by hand. Both ways works just fine. So I'll show you how we can do this problem. So I'm going to rewrite this problem. Let me go ahead and rewrite this one. We have 4xy and 5y to the 4th times 15y and 2x. Let's go ahead and take care of the numbers first. Some people try to cancel out the numbers, some go ahead and multiply. Really doesn't matter, both ways works. So let me go ahead and cancel out those numbers. How many times this 2 goes into 4 is going to be twice. Same thing, this 5 goes into 15, it's going to be 3 times. So now let's go ahead and multiply the numbers. 2 times 3 is going to give me a 6. I don't have anything in the denominator, so I'm not going to put the fraction sign yet. If you look at your x, as long as they have in the denominator and the numerator, we can go ahead and cancel them out. I'm going to use the red color, so I'm going to cancel out the x with x. If you look at your y, I'm going to write one more step. I have y squared, because if you don't see any exponents, that means there is an imaginary 1 for the exponents. Also, I have y to the 4th in the denominator. The rules for the variables exponents, if it's division, we need to subtract the exponents. Since we have 2 and the 4, we're going to go ahead and subtract them. That's going to leave us 6y to the negative 2. We don't leave any negative exponents, so I'm going to go ahead and change that into positive. So to change the negative into positive, you're going to go ahead and bring that to the bottom and change the negative into positive. So that should be the simplified answer. So if it's division, subtract the exponent. That's one way to do this problem. There's a couple of other ways too. So let me go ahead and rewrite this one more time so I can show you in a different way. So we have 4xy divided by 5y to the 4th times 15y divided by 2x. So let me go ahead and multiply the numerator number with the numerator, denominator number with the denominator. What I meant by 15 times 4, which is going to give you a 60. And I'm going to go ahead and put them two together, x, y, and that's going to be squared. Then let's go ahead and multiply the bottom numbers. 5 times 2 is going to be 10, x, y to the 4th. Now go ahead and divide the 60 by 10, which is going to leave us a 6. Then you can go ahead and cancel out the x with x. That's canceled out. Now we have y to the negative 2. We're going to change that into positive exponent, so leave the 6 and go ahead and put the y squared in the bottom. So that's going to be the final answer. So it's not always there is only one particular way of doing a math problem. There is several of them. Just find the one is easier for you and makes sense. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video.